Guys, hope you're all doing well and welcome to another video of Impulse Reaction. In this video, we will use logical operators in Excel. So first of all, before doing a practical demonstration, we will understand what are the logical operators in Excel. So I have made a basic table to for understanding purpose that how logical operators and or not works. Uh, This is the logical operator and there are some conditions for logical operators to meet. And let's find out how and operator works. First of all, you can see here for AND operator, there must be two conditions, condition one and condition two, as you can see. In order to meet these two conditions, uh, let's say condition one and condition two both are true. So when using an AND operator, both conditions are true. The output of the AND operator will be true. Okay. Next, condition one, condition two. Condition one is true, condition two is false. So it will result in false. And on the other hand, if condition one is false and condition two is also false, then the output of AND operator will be false. So in order to summarize, and an AND operator always gives false value if either of the condition is true or false. It will only it will only give an output of true when both the conditions are met, when both the conditions are true. Okay. So moving on next to OR operator. OR operator, you can have a true output when either of condition one or condition two is true. You can see both conditions here are true, so output will be true. And condition one true, condition two false. So one condition is true, the output will be true. And on the other hand, if both the conditions are false, then output will be false. For not operator, you only need to use one condition. It is a negation operator. It will negate the output. Condition one. If condition one is true, the output will be opposite to the given condition, that is false. If condition 2 is false, the output will be true, that is opposite to the given condition. So the logical operators only deals with two output, that is either true or false. So let's have a practical example. Let's have a practical example of this, how these operators work. So I have a list of fruits here. There are 10 fruits, and this is the price of 2024 and 2025 of these fruits respectively. So for and or operator, uh, we should have two conditions. That's why I have entered two columns of prices of two consecutive years. So let's start with and operator. Okay, and if this is greater than 20 and this is greater than 20, bracket close. So you can see here in the formula bar that I have put C4 is greater than 20 and D4 is greater than 20. When both these conditions are met greater than 20, then it will give the output of true, otherwise false. So in this scenario, I have 20 here at C4, which is not greater than 20. So it will give the value of false right here. I will drag it down here and it will give me all outputs using AND operator. You can see here for true, both these values are greater than 20 and here also, and similarly here. For OR operator, or this is greater than 20, also this greater than 20. If either of these conditions are met, the output will be true, right? And for not operator, what can I do? I can only compare one price. So let's add another column for not operator. I will type average price divided by number of quantities. It will give me average. And now I can use not operator. Not. It will give the opposite of the given condition. So I will say I will use less than 20. So if less than 20, it what should it give? Then it will give me true value. If I put here, if I put here greater than 20, it will give me false because not function always negate the condition. You can see here. And similarly, I can drag it down from top to the bottom. So that's how you use and or and not operator. All right. So this is the table uh, which should be satisfied. This is the basic understanding of logical operators and or and not. And this condition should be met on this table. So you can compare the logical operators condition with our practical example. This condition is satisfied. I hope you enjoyed today's video of impulse reaction using logical operators and see you in the next one.